She lives in the shadow of a lonely girl. Boy, it's so quiet, you don't hear a word. Always talking, but she can't be heard. You can see it there if you catch her eye. You know she's brave, but it's trapped inside. Scared to talk, but she don't know.